Hey guys, we'll be playing with my 4 slimes. Oh, I think it's 5. Yeah, it's 5. Here's my blue sky glossy slime. Just because it's glossy doesn't mean it's not slime. So, we gotta get to the other slime. So, we can come back to this blue one. Next one is my favorite. It's not glossy, and it's not even that sticky. That's why it's my favorite. And then the second part is because it stretches and it smells like shaving cream. And I call it goo slime. So it's like my favorite color. I mean, not like my favorite color. I like blue sky better because blue is my favorite color. You hear that crunching going on too. And it's pokeable. See? Okay. We can come back to all of these slimes later when we're done. Okay. Next is, this is like my mom's slime, which I made in a car. It's not actually my favorite, but my mom likes it. Because you can hear that sizzle a little bit. And it's not stretchy. My mom likes this one for some reason. And I don't like it. It's like, it feels weird and it's crunches. Okay, next. This one's not my favorite, but it's one of mine. My brother's been playing with this. Yeah, this is not my favorite, and it's not mine. It's my sister's, and something else I forgot. Last but not least, ew. Please don't tell me that has juice in it. That has juice in it, you guys. What the heck? It's hard. It's just hard. Okay, let's just stick with our 2 slimes that we had in the first place. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my glitter. If I take it out, it's gonna get stuck to me, and I'm about to go to the movies with my friend, so I don't want to really get my hands dirty. So, okay, let's just stick with these 2 slimes. Just telling you, this one is so my favorite. Comment down below which one is your favorite. Don't go through, don't do this one or this one, which is, this one's the cloud slime and this one's glossy slime. This one's called, I don't know. No, it's really called, I don't know. This one's called goo slime. Comment down below either of these 2. Okay. I have something in it. Oh. Like this toy thing that it was in. Probably goes with one of my raspberry bears. Okay, let's do the next one. Okay, we have the glossy blueberry. Ew, it's so glossy. comment down below which one you love. And hit subscribe. And we are all la la la. In my next video, I'll be showing you everything that I have inside of my closet that I play in. So, bye. See you later.